All right, question number one. We want to find the inverse of the relation. And so in the textbook, we saw that the inverse is just interchanging the x and y values. So I'm just going to start here and I'm just going to type it in. We're going to interchange each of the ordered pairs. So instead of 0, 2, we're going to input 2, 0. Make sure you put each one in parentheses and separate with a comma. Otherwise, it will count it incorrect. And the next one, we're going to do 7, 1 instead of 1, 7. The next one, instead of -2, -4, we're going to do -4 and then -2. And then in the final one, instead of +5, -5, we're going to do -5 first and then +5. Okay. And so now we have a ordered pair in which we've interchanged or swapped x and y. Question 2 wants us to find an equation of the inverse relation. Okay, so this one we're actually going to work out. We are given y equals 5x minus 7. Okay, so what we do is we swap x and y, we interchange them. So I'm going to rewrite this as x equals 5y minus 7. So I just switch places with x and y. And then we're going to solve for y. We're going to try to get y by itself. Alright, so I'm going to add 7 to both sides. So that is going to give us x plus 7 equals 5y plus and minus 7 go to 0. And then we're going to divide by 5. Alright, so that will give us x plus 7 over 5 equals 5 divided by 5 is just y. So at this point, this would be our inverse. I'm going to change the orientation and show you a couple different ways you can write it. So y equals x. We can write it separate or we can leave it together. And then we want to change y equal, because that's not the original equation. We want to change this to the inverse notation. So we'll say f inverse of x equals, I'm just going to write it back like I had it just in one term. So this is the inverse that we're looking for, x plus 7 divided by 5. Now it says write the equation, so they might want me to write the f inverse sign, but I'm just going to check it here, and let's say more. I don't see the f inverse sign. So maybe just the y equal will suffice. Okay, so it doesn't have the inverse sign, so just the y equal.